Nimai and the puppy. One day, while Nimai played with his friends, he saw a little puppy playing nearby. "What a sweet little puppy," he said. "I'm going to keep him with me as my pet." He played for a long time with his new pet, laughing, chasing each other, and rolling on the ground. When it was time to go home, he tied a leash onto his neck and took his puppy home. Mother Sochi saw them coming and cried in horror. "Oh no! Where did you find that dirty dog? What are you doing with it? Come in at once and clean yourself." Nimai said, "He's my new pet, Ma. Isn't he cute? I simply adore him." "But dogs are filthy. They eat dirt from the roadside, even dead animals. You must not touch him, leave alone. Keep him in the house." "He has to go," said Suchimata in disgust. But Nimai begged of his mother to let him keep the puppy. "All right, but you must tie him outside the house," instructed Suchimata to Nimai. The next day, when Nimai went out to play with his friends, Suchimata untied the puppy to go with his mother and brothers and sisters. The little puppy was very happy to see his family and went happily with them, scampering on his little 4 feet. When Nimai returned, he saw that his pet was missing. He asked his mother, "Ma, have you seen my little puppy? It's not outside on his leash where I tied him." Sachimata lovingly held her son and said, "Your puppy saw his mother come by and went with her and his other brothers and sisters." "No, no, I want my puppy, I want my pet," cried Nimai. Mother Sochi took him on his lap and tried to calm him down, but little Nimai was very sad. She held him lovingly and gave him some nice sweets to eat. Soon Nimai was happy again, but he still missed his puppy. Meanwhile, the puppy traveled far and wide with his family. Everywhere he went, he chanted aloud, "Gauranga, Gauranga," and sang most sweetly, "Jai Radhe Jai Krishna, Jai Radhe Krishna." Everyone who heard this was amazed and shocked as to how a dog could sing and chant like this. They had never seen such a sight. He chanted, "Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare." What do you think had happened to him? Nimai had touched and embraced the puppy, because of which he was full of transcendental ecstasy. It meant that his love for Krishna was now fully awakened. One day, all of a sudden, the puppy fell down dead. As he was standing, a dazzling light appeared in the sky, and there was a shower of flowers as a beautifully decorated airplane descended. A bright light left the puppy's body and took the form of a beautiful person who climbed into the jeweled airplane. This was none other than the soul of the puppy, which was now pure because he was touched by Lord Caitanya and completely purified. He now went to the spiritual world to be with Lord Krishna forever. In this way, Nimai gave the puppy his mercy and sent him home back to Godhead.